Of course, we build credentials and credibility with delivery excellence and doing an amazing job in terms of global stakeholder involvement and trust. But I think now one has to move and is talking about moving from incremental productivity gains to orchestration of outcomes. How are we creating value from this capability center that we've set up? And I think it involves very majorly reducing the silos across processes and look at it from an end-to-end workflow, and how leaders can create the boundarylessness behavior to be able to then understand which downstream and upstream functions can be impacted, and look at that, to create that change. I actually very strongly believe that GCC are at the helm and the intersection with the data platforms, digital infrastructure, talent, and governance making as well. So I think the earlier the GCC leaders can be actually leading this cause, getting into conversations and saying these are the pilots and the proof of concepts we can create, and then upskill themselves as well as their talent to making them ready for the next 3 to 5 years, I think is the biggest move that they could look at, because human is continuing to be the key along with technology to make agentic AI a success. It is amazing to see many clients today walking around and, looking at the demos and the booths that we had. One of the observations that I had and a client reflected, which I thought was amazing, is, when we look at this, we believe our business is unique. There are a lot of challenges, and, it will not be able to implement, a program like this, which requires some structure, some thought, some processes. And when they see this has happened across different competitors, I think there is a lot of aha that comes in to say these cases can also be applied, and this product or platform can also be used in their businesses. So I thought that was a great aha that we wanted to achieve as part of the summit as well.